All right, let's go ahead and get started. The system of equations with substitution. First things first is once they give you the totals, those are going to be what equals something. So since it said total coins equals 14, I'm going to go ahead and put total there, which is 14. Dimes plus quarters, so the D from dimes plus Q from quarters equals 14. Then you can sub in your X and Y's, as long as you know what is what. X plus Y equals 14. That's your first equation there. Same thing over here, you got your total. So that's going to equal $2.75. Okay? Got your dimes, which actually has the value now, which is 0.10 or 10 cents times the dimes plus the 25 cents times the quarters. All right, and if you want to go ahead and fix that out, that's going to give you the X plus the Y equals that. Okay, now we got to move on to the next step, which is get X or Y by itself. So we're looking at the easiest of the equations. Just like it has a lot of decimals, I'm not going to try to get X by itself in this one. This one looks way easier. This one right over here looks way easier for me to use than this one. So that's the one I'm going to use, and I'm going to get X or Y by itself. Since X came first, I'll get X by itself. Okay? So I'll go ahead and write that equation down, which is X plus Y equals 14. Then the one I want to get by itself is X, so that's why I'll circle. Anything other than what I circle, I need to do the inverse or opposite. So since it's a plus Y, I'll put a minus Y there. All right, and then I'm going to minus Y on this side. All right, and all that equals 14 minus Y on this side equals, there's only X there, so that's just my answer there. So X equals 14 minus Y. I have something by itself now. Now I'm going to plug that into the other equation. Since I use this right here, now I'm going to have to use this equation over here, and I'm going to put in X for what this 14 minus Y for whenever I see an X. So it'll end up being 0 and 10 hundredths times X plus 0.25 hundredths Y equals $2.75. All right, and I know what I'm going to put in this parentheses right here. It's going to be that 14 minus Y. Okay, and then I'll distribute this 10 cents. 10 cents times 14, that's going to give you $1.40. All right, let me put a thing there so you'll know that was a separate step. All right, $1.40, and then 10 cents times Y is just going to give you negative 10 cent Y. Okay? Plus 0 and 25 hundredths Y, 25 cents Y, still equals $2.75. Now, if you look, I can put these things together here. Those can get put together. That's a negative 10 cents and a positive 25 cents. So 25 cents take away 10 cents, that's just going to leave 15 cents. All right, a positive 15 cents. So $1.40 plus 15 cents Y, because they have the Y there, equals $2.75. Now this looks like something that I can solve. I have my constant off to this side. I could do the opposite there. Since a positive $1.40, go ahead and make it a negative. Make it a negative $1.40 here. That's going to give you $1.35 equals, bring that down, 0.15 Y. And now all I got to do is divide here. Now once I divide by 15 cents, that's going to give you 9. That equals just 9. There you go. So the 9 equals the y. Remember the y was quarters. So y equals 9. So quarters equals 9. All right, we got half the battle done already. Let's go ahead and come back over here. It says x plus y equals 14. I know now that my y was 9, so that would be x plus 9 equals 14. And then I can go ahead and solve this way. 14 minus 9 is 5. So x equals 5. And now I know both of them. So my dimes, which is x, there were 5 of those. And my quarters, which is y, that equal 9. And that makes sense because it said this plus this equals 14, and 5 plus 9 equals 14. All right.